welcome to another one. This is going to be I guess a short one, and we're heading into Geraldton to see a Shore Leave festival, which is all about a festival of food in Geraldton and the Midwest area, and just see what it's like really. There's a couple of different events on, experiences, and... Are you ready? Let's get out of here. So the event's over 5 days, 4 or 5 days, 27th of April to the 1st of May, and like I said, it's all about, I guess, the food, the local produce of the Geraldton and Midwest area. So hopefully we get to see some crayfish, rock lobster, and try a bit of stuff out, a bit of food and produce. So we'll get in there and see what it's like, but we'll try and get there for a couple of days, and hopefully this video gets 1 or 2 days worth of, I guess, the festival. Let's get in there.
No, it's alright, I've got hold of it.
Well, it seems like we're not the only ones down here. Everyone in Geraldton seems to be down here, which is a good thing.
Hard to find a car park, but we got there in the end. So.
Yep, okay.
Good, good. How are you, mate?
It's a life cycle, and once they get to down this sort of size, they typically all go. These ones here start in sort of 2 metres of water, and then they walk all the way out to the continental shelf.
So for 20 bucks, you get a crayfish you got to pick up yourself, fresh, and then you take it to this little stall behind us, and they do everything for you. Cut it up, cook it up, which is pretty good to see. Do you want one? I'll go halves. Okay.
Oh, gonna have it.
Oh, if you want, mate, yeah. That'd be great.
Hey, how much you want?
20 bucks.
Yeah, I'll go take you on it.
Yep.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you. All right, mate. Beautiful. You got it?
No worries.
Thanks for that. Yeah, just the one. Thank you.
What name was that under?
Jack.
Jack?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for that. So I got my crayfish, 20 bucks, and apparently you get it, it's live. You drop it in there to the little stall. They do everything for you, split it in half and cook it up. Not too sure how they're going to cook it. Garlic, butter, maybe. But we'll see how we go there, and we'll get ourselves a nice beer. Finlay's Cowberry Lager to go with the crayfish.
What name was that under?
Gotta just get in there, right?
Go.
Beautiful, thank you.
No worries, enjoy.
Sure, that crow's going to take the dickness. That's what I like about it. Do you reckon they'll make me one black?
Very good. Thank you very much, mate.
Yeah,
Good, appreciate that.
Enjoy your day. Cheers.
Thank you. Righto, that's going to do us there. That was a bloody good day. Bit of a wait for the crayfish, but as they run out of gas, but we'll get over that. Managed to pick up some oysters. You can have some of them. Maybe. Oysters and a nice bottle of illegal tender rum, which is a local, I'm pretty sure it's Dongra in the Midwest rum, spiced rum, which you can't go wrong with that. But a really good day there. They put on a good show, and yeah, that's going to do us. I guess we'll get out of here and we'll probably come back tomorrow, Dongra. So it's the next day and I've come back in just by myself here, just to see if I can catch a little bit of the dragon boat racing, which is a sort of a local event that happens every year here by the Geraldton Yacht Club, which is a good little event. I'm not going to be able to see much from walking along the beach or anything, so we'll get the drone up, try and fly it out there and see if we can see some of them racing around there. And I will say it's another beautiful day as well in Geraldton. You just can't go wrong with weather like this. You boys have been itching to get on a video, haven't you?
Yes. Yeah, we want a video.
Now we got you on a video. What do you want to say?
Hey, mine! Give it! Give it!
Go on, quick, jump off.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
I'm jumping off there too.
These boys have been itching to get on the videos, and we'll get the drone up because I got the boat and the ski out, and we'll try and film them out in the boat.
Oh my god!
Well, we're going to end this video here. It was a short one, a bit of a different one, but big plans for next weekend, this Friday coming up. Heading off to Mount Augusta, hopefully taking the week off work as well, and doing a bit of a loop back around to Carnarvon through Kennedy Ranges. Touch wood, we'll see how we go there, but I'm excited for that and hopefully get a couple of videos out of that. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and that was Shore Leave. Got a bit carried away with the sort of the family afterwards down the beach there, but anyway, cheers for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
I can't wait, Jack.
Well, it seems like.
Try and catch what, I don't know what I'm trying to catch them racing, but we'll take a walk along, see what we can see, I guess, from the sky, maybe.